Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to Predict the Unpredictable series where I give you important topics for the UPSC Prelims Examination 2025. In this video, I am going to discuss a very important topic from Science and Tech subject Defense section. This is video number 1 of the Defense section. Guys, I am running this series and from now on I will mark every video. I'll give a number to it so that you can watch all the previous videos in a systematic manner and you can cover the current affairs. So guys, recently DRDO successfully completed flight testing of 75-kilometer guided Pinaka rocket system. So we are going to study this in detail, what kind of questions we can expect on this topic. But before that, what we will do a PYQ analysis of the previous year defense question, and we will see what are the aspects which are generally targeted by the question setters in the defense section. So guys, first of all, they will ask a simple question, what is it? Okay, what is it? Okay, simple. So they will ask Pinaka, what is it? Directly. Okay, it's a simple question. Second thing, guys, generally whenever missiles are included in the question, they will ask the range of the missile. They will ask the range of the missile. Okay, so these two things we have analyzed from the PYQ. So guys, in defense questions, what we need to prepare, first of all, what is it? Second, what is the capability or what is the range of that defense equipment? Is it an indigenous one? Is it manufactured completely in India, or it is acquired from other country? And if it is acquired from other country, then which is that country? Then which is that country? These are the four aspects you need to prepare defense section, any topic. Okay guys, so let us try to understand what is the Pinaka system. So guys, Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launching system is designed and developed by ARDE and DRDO. It is an all-weather indirect fire artillery rocket system. So what is it? It is a all-weather indirect fire artillery rocket system. The system is capable of firing free flight as well as guided Pinaka rockets. Okay, so it can fire two kinds of rockets, guys: free flight and guided rockets, guided Pinaka rockets. Okay guys, and there are various types of Pinaka rockets. You can see here Pinaka Mk1, which has a range of 37 kilometers, then Pinaka Mk2, which has a range of 60 kilometers, then Pinaka guided rockets which have a range of 75 kilometers. So this is the highest range, guys. This is the highest range. So you need to know what is the range of the Pinaka rockets. So guys, the guided Pinaka has a range of 75 kilometers, and that was the news, guys, that DRDO has successfully completed the flight test of 75 kilometers guided Pinaka rocket system. So very important. Range is very important because UPSC question setters will play with the range. They will give you, in place of 75, they'll write 750 or they'll write 7.5 kilometers and you will be trapped. Okay, so such kind of things you need to keep in mind. So we have variety of rockets are there, guys. Mk1, Mk2, then Pinaka Mk1 enhanced 45 kilometers, then 122 extended range 40 kilometers. So various ranges are there. Maximum range is for the guided Pinaka, which is 75 kilometers. Okay, so guys, this is going to add to the strategic strength of Indian Defense Forces. This is very important. You can see here that in addition to Pinaka, Army has 5 Grad rocket system and 3 Smerch rocket regiments. Okay, so right now we have 3 Smerch regiments and 5 Grad rocket regiments. This is very important, and eventually this indigenous Pinaka is going to be the mainstay of the long range rocket artillery. You can see a long range rocket artillery, which is the maximum range is 75 kilometers. Maximum range is 75 kilometers, which you should keep in mind. Guys, one more thing we should know is that this Pinaka rocket system, okay, we are also selling it to other countries. We are also selling it to other countries. So it is a part of our export, defense export, because nowadays government focus is on defense exports. Okay, so guys, recently France has shown interest that it may use this. You can see French army officers recently revealed that France is evaluating India's indigenous Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher system for potential use by its military. So this is a very, very important. I'm going to ask a simple question from you. Which other country India has signed an agreement to sell this Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launching system, okay, before France? Okay, I would like to know in the comment box whoever is able to answer. Okay, I'll try to reward that person also. Guys, further, you need to know something, that which are the institutions which are related to this development of this indigenous Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launching system. It is developed by DRDO. It is developed by DRDO. Along with, there are some private partners also. There are some private partners also. For example, Solar Industries, Larsen and Toubro, Tata, and Ordnance Factory Board of India. Okay, so basically it is part of the Make in India campaign, where we are focusing on defense indigenization. We are focusing on defense indigenization. So guys, as I told you, generally questions will be either what is it, what is Pinaka? So it is a rocket launching system. It is a rocket launching system. Okay, used in artillery. Okay, second, what is the range? So maximum range is 75 kilometers for the guided Pinaka rockets. For others it is lesser, okay, 30 to 40 kilometers. Next, it is indigenous, completely indigenous, DRDO. Okay, and we are not acquiring it, rather than we are exporting it to other countries. You have to tell me which country we have signed an agreement to export, and recently France has shown interest. Like this, guys, I am running this series in my YouTube channel, Predict the Unpredictable, most important topics for UPSC prelims 2025. Now guys, I am numbering the videos so that it is easy for you to cover all the important topics. I have already made at least 30 to 40 videos in this series. If you have not watched all these videos, please do watch. Last year, lot of questions have come from this. I will also attach a proof of it. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.